Hello everyone, this is Brijesh Mishra from Jagar Public School, Varanasi. Welcome to the second part of tissue, that is animal tissue. Okay, the points which you able to define after viewing this video is about animal tissue, about their types and their explanation. Okay, so let's start this video. Before moving to the topic, first we have to know about animal tissue. The animal cells are grouped together to form animal tissue, or in easy way we can also say that the tissue which are found in animals is known as animal tissue. Now we will know about types of animal tissue. There are 4 types of animal tissue. First, epithelial tissue. Second, connective tissue. Third, muscular tissue. And the last, that is fourth, nervous tissue. So students, I have also given in my previous video a trick to understand plant tissue. So here once again I am giving you the easiest way to learn types of animal tissue, that is ECMN, where E for epithelial tissue, C for connective tissue, M for muscular tissue, and N for nervous tissue. Now we will briefly know about epithelial tissue. So students, what is epithelial tissue? It is a very simplest tissue. This tissue contains very little or no intercellular space. Epithelial cells lies on a delicate non-cellular basement membrane which contain a special protein called collagen. This tissue contains most upper organs and cavities. Now we will understand the function of epithelial tissue. The first function is it helps in protection of organs. Second one, it helps in absorption of water and nutrients. And the third one is it is also helps in secretion of sweat. So now students, we are moving up to types of epithelial tissue, and their types are: first one is squamous epithelial tissue, second one is stratified epithelial tissue, third one is cuboidal epithelial tissue, fourth, columnar epithelial tissue, fifth, glandular epithelial tissue, and the last one, that is ciliated epithelial tissue. Now students, we will briefly know about squamous epithelial tissue. What is a squamous epithelial tissue? It is also known as pavement epithelial tissue. It is made up of thin, flat, irregular shaped cells which are compactly packed. Their function: these provide mechanical support, and they can also form a selective permeable membrane through which filtration occurs. Now the second types of epithelial tissue is stratified epithelial tissue. It is very simple and it is found in tissue of skin. In this, cells are arranged in many layers. This epithelial tissue is waterproof and highly resistant to mechanical injury. Their best example is buccal cavity. So students, you are seeing in this picture there are two types of epithelial tissue. The first figure is stratified epithelial tissue and the second one is squamous epithelial tissue. In this picture you can see that the first one, that is stratified epithelial tissue, it consists of more than one layers of cell and gives a stratified appearance. So we can easily understand by picking a layers and layers and layers, it becomes a stratified epithelial tissue. Now, in the second figure, we are generally seeing the squamous epithelial tissue, that is consists of thin, flat and polygonal cells with prominent round or oval nucleus that is always present at the center. It forms a delicate and irregular boundaries that fit closely into the neighboring cells. So, it is also known as pavement epithelial tissue. Okay, students, for other 4 types of epithelial tissue, we will discuss on our next. So, students, now let's check what you have learned from this video. So here again I have some questions for you, and the first question is, name the special protein which are found in epithelial tissue. The second question is, what are the examples of squamous epithelial tissue? And the last question is, write 2 functions of squamous epithelial tissue. Okay students, I hope you all understand this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.